Hi everybody, welcome to on Mathmax Tutorial. Today we have seen beautiful integration example, and today example is integration under root x square plus 1 in bracket log x square plus 1 minus 2 times log x divided by x square x raised to 4 dx. If you want the simple solution, to watch video till at the end. Okay, let's do start. First given equation I can write here I is equal to integration under root x square plus 1 in bracket log x square plus 1 minus 2 times log x bracket complete and divide by x raised to 4 and dx. Now here we observe the given this we can write the simplification process as 2 log x we can write as log x square by suppose n into log m is equal to we can write m raised to n, then simplification process we get log x square. Yes, okay. Therefore integral as we can write as simplification process under root x square plus 1 in bracket log x square plus 1 minus log x square bracket complete and divided by x raised to 4. Yes, okay. Now again we have simplified this equation as we know that related formula log m minus log n, and we can write as log m by n. Yes, okay. Then here again simplify process and becomes x square plus 1, then we can write log x square plus 1 divided by x square bracket complete, and this term x raised to 4 we can write as x into x cube dx. Yes, okay. Again the simplification process under root x square plus 1 and divided by x we can here write separately and into 1 upon x cube into log, and this simplify process we can write x square get cancel 1 plus 1 upon x square and dx. Now we observe x square plus 1 and divided by x, we get the x in inside under the root, then we get x square. Yes, okay. Therefore I is equal to under root x square plus 1 divided by x square into 1 upon x cube into log 1 plus 1 upon x square and dx. Yes, okay. Then again simplify this process, we get under root 1 plus 1 upon x square into 1 upon x cube into log 1 plus 1 upon x square and into dx. Now here we observe here derivative present of this function is 1 upon x cube. Okay, we know that derivative of 1 upon x raised to n is equal to minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. Yes, okay, we know that all. Therefore we can here put the substitute method. Yes, substitute, we can put here substitute 1 plus 1 upon x square is equal to suppose t, then differentiate this function and we get minus 2 upon x cube dx is equal to dt, and we can write as x cube 1 upon x cube dx is equal to minus dt by 2. Okay, then therefore the equation this becomes suppose 1 say, then equation 1 becomes we can write the integration under root t term, this is the t term, and 1 by x cube dx is equal to minus dt by 2, and then log this is the term t, and then we know that here the first function we can say suppose this is the first and second function under root t. Yes, okay. Therefore by using IBP, yes, okay, by using IBP rule here get minus 1 by 2 is the common, minus 1 by 2 common, and integration under root, yes, first function kept at it is log t, then integration root t, this term can be written as t raised to 1 by 2. Yes, okay, t raised to 1 by 2 dt minus integration derivative of first function, that's mean log t, and integration of second function t raised to 1 by 2 and dt there bracket complete term. Yes, okay, this is term bracket complete, and we can write here also dt bracket complete. Yes, okay. Then simplify process again, minus 1 by 2 log t, t raised to 1 by 2 integration 3 by 2 also 3 by 2 divide. Yes, okay. And minus integration log t 1 by t and integration t raised to 1 by 3 by 2 divided by also 3 by 2 and dt. Yes, okay. Then simplify process again, we can write as 3 by 2 as 2 by 3, then t raised to 3 by 2 into log t, then minus sign, then we can 2 by 3 is the constant term and integration t raised to 3 by 2 divided by t, that means t raised to 3 by 2 minus 1, and we can write here t raised to also 1 by 2 integral. Yes, t raised to 1 by 2 and dt, then we get the final solution as minus 1 by 2 2 by 3 t raised to 3 by 2 into log t minus 2 by 3, and this integral again t raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 and plus is the constant of integration. Now we can multiply minus 1 by 2 throughout this term, and then equation becomes as, we can write as is equal to minus 1 by 2 throughout, multiply 2 to get cancel, we get minus 1 by 3 t raised to 3 by 2 into log t. Yes, okay, minus this 2 by 3, this is the 2 by 3 also 2 by 3, this is 2 by 3 and 2 by 3, and this is minus 1 by 2 minus minus get plus here into also 1 by 2 and t raised to 3 by 2 and plus is the constant of integration. Here we observe 2 to get cancel, and here 1 by 3 and t raised to 3 by 2 we get common here, then we can write as 1 by 3 t raised to 3 by 2, and in bracket we can take the first positive term, that means this is the 2 by 3. Yes, okay, 2 by 3 minus log t and plus is the constant of integration. Yes, okay. Now we back substitute t is equal to 1 plus 1 upon x square, then the final solution as we can write 1 by 3 1 plus 1 upon x square raised to power 3 by 2 in bracket 2 by 3 minus log in bracket 1 plus 1 upon x square bracket complete and plus is the constant of integration. Yes, okay, then this is the my final solution, we can, yes, okay, yes, cool. Okay, if you like this video then share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Yes.